Coincidences happen every day, often leaving us with the feeling that something bigger is at play. How many times have we thought about someone, only to receive a message or call from them moments later? These small synchronicities make us wonder, is it just luck, or is there something deeper guiding these encounters? Maybe, if we take a closer look, we'll realize that these coincidences carry a hidden meaning, a reminder that the universe is always communicating with us. Every detail could be a clue, an intersection between our thoughts and the invisible forces that govern life. But are we paying enough attention to notice these connections? The line between chance and intention becomes blurry when we see coincidences as a way for the universe to guide us. They aren't just random occurrences but windows into a broader understanding of reality. And the more we observe, the more coincidences seem to transform into synchronicities, opening doors to deeper insight. According to Carl Jung's theory, synchronicities act as bridges between our inner world and the external environment. It's not just about coincidental events but about an intrinsic connection between the psyche and reality, as if our minds could shape the very fabric of time and space. These coincidences don't follow traditional laws of cause and effect, but rather seem to happen in response to a spiritual need. For Jung, the universe seemed to respond to our unconscious in subtle and surprising ways. Jung's concept of synchronicity leads us to ask, how much of our daily experiences are shaped by our inner state? Could it be that by paying attention to the coincidences around us, we're actually revealing a dialogue between our consciousness and the universe? These questions are just the beginning, paving the way for a deeper understanding of what it means to be truly connected to the cosmos. Synchronicity as a bridge between consciousness and the universe. Synchronicities reveal a profound connection between our consciousness and the universe around us. When we notice these events, it's as if the fabric of reality bends toward us, responding to our thoughts and emotions. Life then shifts from being just a linear series of events to becoming a dance between what we think and what manifests around us. Albert Einstein once said that reality, as we perceive it, is an illusion, albeit a persistent one. Our perceptions shape how we experience the world, and synchronicities serve as reminders that the universe is fluid. In fact, they invite us to reconsider the idea that we are mere spectators of life. We are, in reality, co-creators. As science advances, quantum physics shows that the actions of an observer can influence the outcome of physical events. This raises the question, if our consciousness can affect the universe, how far does our power to shape reality extend? Synchronicity, then, is an invitation to explore this relationship between mind and matter, expanding our understanding of what is truly possible. The 5 types of synchronicities. Synchronicities can manifest in various ways, each delivering a unique and subtle message. When we recognize these different forms, we begin to understand that the universe communicates with us in multiple tones, adapting to our circumstances and needs. There are moments when synchronicity serves as a warning, while at other times, it acts as confirmation that we are on the right path. Each type reveals a specific aspect of our journey, as if the universe were sending us coded signals to guide our choices. The beauty of these meaningful coincidences lies in their ability to align us with our purpose, even when we're not fully aware of it. These 5 types of synchronicities function as a spiritual compass, guiding us toward personal evolution. By recognizing their presence in our lives, we open the door to a deeper connection with the universe's flow, allowing each sign to steer us toward a higher understanding of reality. 1. Warning or alert synchronicities. Warning synchronicities tend to appear during moments of tension or uncertainty, like a whisper from the universe urging us to pay attention. They serve as warnings of potential challenges, steering us away from paths that could lead to pain or regret. It's as though, behind the scenes of life, something is guiding us to avoid disaster before it strikes. Many of us have experienced seemingly harmless signs that later turned out to be crucial warnings. It might be an unexpected delay that prevents us from being in the wrong place at the wrong time, or a strange feeling that makes us reconsider a decision. These synchronicities are like lighthouses in a dark night, illuminating danger before we can see it clearly. As we become more attuned to these warning synchronicities, we begin to recognize that the universe is constantly looking out for us, offering signals to protect us from hasty choices. They invite us to pause, reflect, and trust that there is an unseen wisdom guiding our steps, even when everything feels uncertain. 2. Confirmation synchronicities. Confirmation synchronicities feel like a nod from the universe, signaling that we are on the right path. They emerge in moments when we need reassurance, when doubts threaten to pull us away from our goals. These signs are subtle yet powerful, appearing in unexpected ways to affirm that we are aligned with our purpose. Imagine making an important decision and then witnessing a series of events that seem to validate your choice. It could be a casual conversation that reinforces an idea or an unexpected encounter that opens new doors. These synchronicities offer us peace of mind in times of uncertainty, as if the cosmos is conspiring to keep us on track. These signs remind us that when we act in harmony with our inner truth, the universe responds with support. Confirmation synchronicities not only encourage us but also reveal that there is a hidden order guiding our steps. They are like a silent guide, giving us the confidence that we are exactly where we need to be. 3. Prophetic synchronicities. Prophetic synchronicities have the power to reveal what lies ahead, appearing at key moments in our lives as symbolic messages. They may come through vivid dreams, visions, or recurring symbols that at first seem random but later prove to be full of meaning. These synchronicities serve as a bridge between the present and the future, offering glimpses of what is to come. Many people recount experiences of dreams that predicted major events or symbols they initially overlooked, which later became crucial to significant changes in their lives. These synchronicities don't just foretell the future, but also prepare us emotionally and spiritually for the transitions and challenges that lie ahead. They appear when we need guidance, providing hints to steer us in the right direction. When we pay attention to these prophetic messages, we begin to realize that the universe is constantly sending us alerts and directions. By recognizing and deciphering these signs, we can align ourselves more deeply with the flow of time and be ready for the changes to come, transforming our understanding of reality. 4. Manifestation synchronicities. Manifestation synchronicities reveal the incredible power of our thoughts and intentions. They occur when something we desire or imagine starts to materialize before us, as if the universe is directly responding to our call. It's the moment when what once existed only in the realm of ideas begins to take form in the physical world, proving that what we think and feel has the ability to shape reality. These manifestations often happen unexpectedly. A long-held wish, once thought impossible, may suddenly and surprisingly come to fruition. It could be a chance encounter, a spontaneous opportunity, or a dream realized without clear explanation of how it all began. These synchronicities demonstrate the intimate connection between our mind and the universe, where every intention becomes a seed planted in the fertile soil of existence. These events invite us to pay closer attention to our intentions and the power they carry. When we focus on what we truly desire with clarity and purpose, the universe responds, bringing those intentions to life in unexpected and transformative ways. Manifestation synchronicities are a reminder that we are co-creators of our destiny. 5. Opportunity synchronicities. Opportunity synchronicities appear when we are ready to take the next step in our journey, aligning circumstances and encounters that open unexpected doors. They arise during moments when we feel that a window has opened, offering us a unique chance to grow, evolve, or change direction. It's as if the universe is inviting us to move forward, to step into a new phase of life. These synchronicities often surprise us, showing up unpredictably but always at the perfect time. It could be an invitation, a revealing conversation, or even a career opportunity that appears just as we are ready for something new. These events show us that when we are in tune with our inner truth, the universe conspires to provide the opportunities we need to move forward. They encourage us to stay alert and open to the unknown, ready to seize the opportunities that come our way. When we recognize these opportunity synchronicities, we realize that life is full of possibilities, and by being prepared, we can turn these chances into significant milestones in our personal and spiritual journey. How synchronicities shape our reality. Synchronicities reveal the deep interconnection between our intentions, thoughts, and the universe. Each meaningful coincidence is a subtle reminder that we are part of a greater fabric, where what we think and feel echoes in unexpected ways within the reality around us. Through these manifestations, we are guided to understand that our lives are shaped by an invisible dance between our inner world and external experiences. When we recognize these synchronicities, we begin to understand that they are not isolated events but part of a larger pattern that influences the course of our lives. Each one offers us an opportunity to adjust our path, reflect on our choices, and realize that the universe actively responds to our consciousness. It's as though we are in constant dialogue with reality, where each synchronicity serves as a response to our inner quest. These events show us that we are in harmony with the flow of the universe, and by paying attention to them, we can use these coincidences as compasses to guide our decisions and choices. Synchronicities reveal that reality is not rigid but flexible, sensitive to the energy we project, and invite us to participate actively in this ongoing creation. Developing sensitivity to synchronicities. Developing a sensitivity to synchronicities is like fine-tuning our senses to notice the subtle messages the universe sends us daily. Small details, often overlooked in the rush of life, can be gateways to a deeper understanding of the connections that shape our reality. By paying closer attention to the signs around us, we begin to uncover mysteries that once seemed hidden. Keeping a record of these coincidences is a practice that can help us recognize patterns. By noting down each synchronicity, we start to see how they appear at pivotal moments and how they can offer insights into the path we're on. Every note is a reminder that the universe is constantly in dialogue with us, waiting for us to be aware enough to receive its messages. As we cultivate this sensitivity, our perception expands, and what once seemed random starts to make sense. Synchronicities encourage us to explore our thoughts and feelings more deeply, allowing these coincidences to guide us on our journey of growth and self-discovery, revealing connections that often escape the inattentive eye. What it means when synchronicities don't occur. The absence of synchronicities can leave us feeling like something is missing, but this also carries a valuable message. When these signs don't manifest, it may reflect a time when we are so deeply aligned with our inner selves that the universe doesn't need to intervene. Life flows more predictably, without the need for external signals to guide our steps. On the other hand, a lack of synchronicities might indicate that we're stuck in a predictable and stagnant routine, disconnected from life's flow. It's a subtle invitation to reevaluate our choices and wake up to new possibilities. When everything seems to follow a mechanical path, it may be time to seek new experiences and step outside our comfort zone, allowing the unexpected to happen again. This absence teaches us that sometimes the silence of the universe is just as revealing as its messages. In this quiet space, we are called to reflect, to look inward, and to rediscover the power of our own creative potential. By doing so, we make room for synchronicities to bloom once more in our lives, bringing new directions and opportunities along with them. Unlocking synchronicities in our lives. Unlocking synchronicities in our lives requires a willingness to dive into new experiences and embrace the unknown. When we step away from predictable routines and explore uncharted territories, we create space for these meaningful coincidences to occur. It's by stepping out of our comfort zones that the universe begins to reveal itself in surprising ways, bringing signs and encounters that transform our journey. Introspection is a powerful tool in this process. By diving deep into our inner selves, we open a channel of communication with the universe, allowing synchronicities to flow more naturally. Practicing active imagination, where we visualize our desires and goals with clarity, also helps us recognize and attract these coincidences. the universe responds to our intentions with clear signs, guiding us toward our purpose. By following the flow of these synchronicities, we begin to walk a path of spiritual growth and personal evolution. Each sign, each seemingly random event, pushes us to align our lives with the cosmic forces around us. In doing so, the journey becomes lighter, filled with deeper meaning and unexpected transformations.